Hello, my friend. The idea is simple, yet profoundly powerful. Money keeps coming to you. Not sporadically, not in fits and starts, but continuously and effortlessly. This isn't wishful thinking, it's about understanding how your subconscious mind operates and how it responds to the impressions you give it. Every thought, belief, and feeling you hold about money creates an impression on your subconscious. It doesn't judge, it doesn't question, it simply takes your dominant thoughts and manifests them into your reality. So if you've been feeling a lack or struggle around money, it's not because life is unfair or because you're unworthy. It's simply because the impressions on your subconscious have been rooted in scarcity. But here's the good news, you have the power to change that. Let's start by acknowledging this universal truth: money is energy. It flows where it's welcomed, where it's expected, and where it feels appreciated. If you think of money as something elusive, difficult to obtain, or reserved only for others, you're unknowingly creating a barrier that prevents it from flowing into your life. But if you start to see money as a natural extension of your thoughts and beliefs, as something that is always available to you, you'll begin to experience an entirely new reality. So, how do you impress the subconscious mind with the idea that money keeps coming to you? The first step is clarity. You must become crystal clear about your relationship with money. Ask yourself, what do I truly believe about wealth? Do I believe I'm capable of earning more? Do I believe I deserve to live in abundance? Write down your thoughts, because identifying your current beliefs is the foundation for change. Once you're aware of the beliefs that no longer serve you, you can replace them with empowering ones. One of the most effective ways to do this is through repetition. The subconscious mind is shaped by repetition, so the more you affirm that money keeps coming to you, the more deeply this idea will take root. Speak it out loud. Whisper it to yourself as you wake up in the morning and before you drift off to sleep at night. Write it down. Create a mental image of money flowing effortlessly into your life, like a river that never runs dry. The more you engage your senses, the more powerful the impression will be. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, it's hard to believe that money can just come to me. And that's okay. If you've been conditioned to believe that wealth only comes through struggle, it might take time to shift your perspective. Start small. Begin by noticing the little ways that abundance is already showing up in your life: a discount on something you needed, an unexpected gift, or even the satisfaction of paying for something with ease. Celebrate these moments, no matter how small they seem, because they reinforce the idea that money is always finding its way to you. Gratitude is another key to unlocking the flow of wealth. When you appreciate what you already have, you send a signal to your subconscious that says, "I am abundant." Gratitude shifts your focus from lack to plenty, and where attention goes, energy flows. Make it a habit to list the things you're grateful for every day, especially the financial blessings you've received. Let's not forget the power of detachment. While it's essential to hold the belief that money keeps coming to you, it's equally important not to obsess over it. Obsession creates resistance. Instead, adopt an attitude of trust. Trust that your subconscious is working on your behalf, that the seeds you've planted will grow. When you let go of worry and desperation, you create space for money to flow to you effortlessly. Visualization is another powerful tool. Take a few moments every day to close your eyes and imagine yourself living the life you desire. See yourself receiving money easily and joyfully. Picture the things you'll do with it, the experiences you'll create, the peace it brings. Feel the emotions of abundance, joy, gratitude, freedom. Your subconscious doesn't distinguish between what's real and what's imagined, it responds to the emotions you generate. So when you feel abundant, you attract abundance. It's also important to surround yourself with positive influences. The people you spend time with, the media you consume, and even the words you speak all contribute to the impressions on your subconscious. Choose affirmations, books, and conversations that uplift and inspire you. Avoid negativity about money, whether it's coming from within you or from others. Protect your mind like a garden, because only you decide what grows there. Let me share another powerful truth: money doesn't come to you because you chase it. It comes to you because you align yourself with it. Alignment means living as though your desires are already fulfilled. It means embodying the confidence, peace, and joy that come with financial freedom, even before you see the evidence of it. When you act and feel as though money is already flowing to you, your subconscious accepts this as truth and works to make it your reality. When we talk about money constantly flowing to you, it's essential to explore the role of your daily habits and mindset shifts in reinforcing this reality. The way you approach your day can set the tone for how wealth finds its way into your life. Start by reflecting on how you engage with the world around you. Are your daily actions aligned with the belief that abundance is your natural state? This isn't about massive changes overnight, it's about small, intentional adjustments that create a ripple effect. One such adjustment is learning to say yes to opportunities, even when they seem unfamiliar or outside your comfort zone. Often, the subconscious mind resists change because it perceives it as a threat. However, when you develop the habit of being open to new experiences, you signal to your subconscious that you are ready to grow and expand. Whether it's a new project at work, a chance to learn a new skill, or even connecting with someone who inspires you, these moments can be the stepping stones to greater wealth. Let's also discuss the power of generosity. There's an undeniable connection between giving and receiving. When you give freely and with a sense of abundance, you align yourself with the flow of wealth. This doesn't mean you have to give away everything you have, it's about cultivating an attitude of sharing. It could be as simple as offering your time, skills, or encouragement to someone who needs it. The act of giving affirms that you are not operating from a place of lack but from a place of plenty. Another often overlooked aspect of attracting wealth is how you treat yourself. Self-care and self-investment are powerful signals to the subconscious that you value yourself and your time. When you prioritize your well-being, whether through rest or nourishment, you reinforce the belief that you are worthy of receiving abundance. Think of it as building a solid foundation. When you feel good physically and emotionally, you naturally attract experiences and opportunities that reflect that state. Now, let's shift to the importance of language. Words carry energy, and the way you talk about money can either attract or repel it. Pay attention to your daily conversations. Are you speaking in terms of possibility or limitation? For example, replace statements like, "I can't afford this," with, "How can I create the resources for this?" This subtle shift opens your mind to solutions instead of focusing on obstacles. Over time, these linguistic adjustments become part of your subconscious programming. As you continue to impress your subconscious with the idea that money keeps coming to you, pay attention to opportunities that arise. These opportunities may not always look like what you expect, so stay open and curious. Sometimes, wealth comes in the form of a new idea, a chance meeting, or a creative spark. Trust your intuition and act on these nudges. They are the universe's way of guiding you toward greater abundance. Recall this: abundance is your natural state. You don't have to fight for it, beg for it, or prove your worthiness. You simply have to align with it. Your thoughts, beliefs, and feelings are the keys to unlocking the flow of money in your life. So start today. Start now. Begin impressing your subconscious with the truth that money keeps coming to you, day and night, effortlessly and continuously. The more you nurture this belief, the more you'll see it reflected in your reality. And when you do, you'll realize that abundance was never outside of you, it was within you all along.